Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Many of you will think that I'm responding to words of Honorable Motume. I'm not. I'm below that. I'm not below that. I'm above board. And I really wonder when a member who does not even have a party to this house, who the majority side, where I head as the leader of majority, I've given committees, given him to be the chair, rises to abuse the leader of majority in this assembly.
I need to be informed by you. Have your own information. I don't need information. You are part of the problems. I don't need to be informed by a fool. I don't want to be informed. Don't inform me. Don't inform me. Don't inform me.
If you do not support the government of the day, I can give him reasons as to why, Mr. Speaker, things happen to him the way they are. He goes, Mr. Speaker, with a member of parliament, his constituents,
just stick with yourself,
to say, Mr. Speaker, that this member of parliament is bringing tractors, Mr. Speaker, tomorrow to start working. A county government officials take tractors. Mr. Speaker, we cannot stand to see people take credit where it's not due.
I ask myself, how stupid am I to sit in this house every other time, do the budget, no implementation. If there is implementation, it is skewed to those purported to be supporting the government of the day.
Let him know where the water started beating him. He is confused. He was in Wamunyoro yesterday with somebody who is not even in government. And he claims that Mr. Speaker, that's a confused fellow.
Order, leader.
I may not be the best angel to support the leadership of the day. The people who sent me to this assembly, they gave me powers to speak on their behalf. You cannot deny the people of Masige East their rights.
Are implemented in this assembly, Mr. Speaker. I'm informing Honorable Motume. Let him follow the right procedure. He knows where projects are. Let him not be confused to follow people who do not know government.
We don't just make it like a comic. I don't need to be informed by you. Have your own information. I don't need information. You are part of the problems. I don't need to be informed by a fool.